Hey everyone, so in this video, I just want to quickly cover off website and email. So in the comments section of the course, you'll see the business setup checklist. I want you to just download that because we're going to work through this over the next few days. Just right click and hit your checkbox once you've done it. So basically for this video, register a domain with GoDaddy, whatever your business name is, or ClickFunnels or 123Reg, or whoever it might be. And I do think it's important to set up an email address for that domain so you look professional when you're emailing estate agents, emailing landlords, investors, etc. I think it's a lot better than Gmails and Hotmails, and we should be operating at that professional level. And I think in terms of website, I don't want you to go and spend loads of time on this. It's not necessary. I just want you to get a core website built and get a nice holding page up there. You don't need to be, your website is just basically a show home. So most of the stuff we're going to do is through Facebook and through social media channels, or business media channels as I call them. And we're not yet, the amount of leads that come through my website are very little. And obviously I'm quite established and we have a very pretty looking website. But all your website needs to do is basically just marry up that you're in property, you're in the strategies you're talking to people about. Because what will happen is when you're going out there meeting landlords, or you're going out there meeting investors or estate agents, if they want to check that you're credible, they're going to see if you've got a website. And all they need to do is land on your website and see that it's a bit property orientated. There is a business there. It matches the email address and everything looks good. So it's just kind of a notch for the trust factor. That's all we're trying to do here. Quick look at mine, sell your home, guaranteed rent, SA management, project management, a bit about this, who we are. Obviously I've done some videos and, mine's, quite, I wouldn't say it's fancy, but, it's got a lot of stuff on there that you don't necessarily need to go that crackers on, but as you scale, you'll get better at it, customer reviews, all that sort of stuff. So, but don't spend hours on this. As it says here, leverage tip. Use Fiverr or Upwork and find someone to do all this for you. You can probably pay them 100, 150, 200 pounds and just get the lot sorted. So go and get your website set up. And once you've finished, check the complete box. And in the 6-figure property investor box, I would like you to share your new website and just ask for people's thoughts and comments on it. Don't want you to take any real action from that unless you feel like it's something drastic, but this is all about getting attention around your business, and let's all share. The network that we were working in, the 6-figure, is a secure network. Everything that goes on inside that network stays inside that network, and if I find anybody sharing stuff outside that network or posting stuff outside the network, then they will be kicked out, because I like to think we've got a great community in there and people can be honest, vulnerable, and share what is really happening with their journey so that we can help solve problems and move forward. And if we all commit to that, it's a much better network. So feel free to share your website in there, post it in there, and then check this video is complete. And I will see you on the next video, which is all about setting up your Facebook profile.